Hey, thanks for checking out Idiots in Cars 2023 Epic Fails and Crash Compilation. This video has a wild amount of crazy drivers, outrageous wrecks, and crashes that'll make your head spin. This is only the start of 2023, and we already have a compilation for you. Where we're going to need roads. We're about to head back to the future. It looks so easy in the movies, though. Just keep watching. This wasn't even the worst part. No, it didn't rain money. An armored truck crashed, and these people decided to record themselves taking the money. Yeah, great idea, guys. Just give them the evidence. Have we not learned anything from episode 1? Just when you thought the Three Stooges were dead and no longer performing. Keep watching. You won't believe this next one. Yeah, sure thing. Just keep driving. This was a little satisfying. Has your friend ever done this to you? This next one takes service at your doorstep quite literally. We're asking all awesome viewers to subscribe to our channel so they don't miss any new uploads. So, if you're one of our awesome viewers, which you are, be sure to subscribe. If you are wondering where the concept for Transformers originated from, look no further. Here is Bumblebee's first triumph. Don't be an idiot like these drivers from the last episode. Subscribe and watch our next video. Top 10 worst drivers so far of 2023.